How to remove Instagram account from the accounts list. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Now first of all, you have to click on Instagram app. As you click on the Instagram app, then you have to go on the profile option that is located down below. As you go on the profile option, then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above. Click on that and then go on settings option. As you go on settings option, now by scrolling up you have the option of logout. As you click on logout, now you will be able to log out from this account. Now if you want to use another account to log out, then you have to go back and select the other account that you are using on this device. As I am using only one device now, one account on this device, so I can log out from only one device, one account. If I am using multiple accounts, then I will be able to log out from multiple accounts. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.